So we're going to sit into the leg press, and when we get stabilized, we're going to have your feet up on the sled, and we want to bring your feet outside hip width apart. We want to lean back so that your back and your spine is nice and flat against the seat, and make sure that your hip is nice and snug into the corner. Okay, and then go ahead, release the sled, bring it down, bring your knees towards each shoulder specifically, and then I want you to exhale, pull your belly button in, and push the sled away, and push into your heels. Drive the sled all the way up, and then take another inhale as you bring the sled back down. Again, knees coming towards your heels. Exhale, pull your belly button in towards your spine as you're pushing up and away, and push into your heels. Try to relax your neck and your shoulders as much as possible. Really feel that the focus point is your pelvis with contact point of the seat, and just keep driving and working with your legs. And as I mentioned before, we're going to go for either sets of 10 or sets of 15 for the first 8 weeks just to get your body conditioned. When you finished your set, go ahead, take a 30-second break before you begin the second set. And then after you finish the second set, give yourself 2 to 3 minutes before you start your third set. And also, if you feel like increasing the weights between each set, feel free. Just make sure that when you increase the weights that you're still able to get 10 reps or 15 reps on that set. Go for it.